In this video, we will show you how to get a loan on the Chase Bank. If you guys want to get started with Chase Bank, you can use the links down in the description. First, determine the type of loan you need, such as personal loan, mortgage, auto loan, or business loan. Ensure you meet the eligibility criteria for the loan type you're interested in. These may include factors like your credit score, income, and employment status. Then, consider pre-qualifying for a loan, which allows you to see potential loan offers without impacting your credit score. Next, fill out the loan applications on Chase's website or visit a local branch. You'll need to provide personal and financial information. Now, provide any necessary documentation such as proof of income, employment verification, and identification. Compare the loan offers you receive and choose the one that best fits your needs. Once you've chosen a loan offer, lock in your interest rate to ensure it remains the same throughout the loan approval process. After that, complete any remaining steps such as assigning the loan agreement and setting up repayment terms. So that's how to get a loan on the Chase Bank. Make sure to use links down in the descriptions to get started with Chase Bank. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.